Two very important parts of forming sentences are number one, forming negative sentences, and number two, asking questions. So let's find out how to do both. It is not possible that in a conversation you do not ask questions or no questions are asked to you. Now, if you are the person who has to ask questions, you should know how to form questions in the first place. So let's have a look at the slide. Now, imagine you have a sentence like this. They are going to the park. How will you turn it into a question? Now, look at this carefully. They are going to the park. They is the subject, are is the verb, going to the park. Now, when you are turning such sentences into a question, your verb will come at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject. Are they going to the park? Yes, they are going to the park. Now look at the next example. He works at a hospital. He works at a hospital will turn into, does he work at the hospital? Now imagine if he was replaced by they. They work at the hospital. How do you form a question then? Remember, I do, he, she, it does, they do. So if the subject is they work at the hospital, and you want to turn it into a question, it will become, do they work at the hospital? Now, as the subject here is he and does goes with he, we will say, does he work at the hospital? Sentence like this, you saw the movie. Did you see the movie? Did he see the movie? Did she see the movie? Did they see the movie? Did stays the same. A tip for you would be, if you are confused as how to start a question, think of the possible answer. Like for example, if you do not know how to construct a question, think of the possible answer that the person can give and just interchange the position of the verb and the subject. Like if you want to ask someone if they will play football, think of the answer that they could possibly give. Yes, I will play football. This could be the answer, correct? Now change the position. Yes, I will play football. Interchange the position of will and I. Will I play football? Well, you cannot ask a question like that because you're asking it to someone. So I will turn into you. Will you play football? Yes, I will play football. Next is crafting negatives. To make a sentence negative, add not after the verb. For instance, she is not a teacher. I do not like coffee. So here both is and do are verbs and we are adding it immediately after the verb. So look at this original statement. They are playing outside. They are not playing. He likes to cook. He does not like to cook. We have not finished the project. Now, question words are important words if you want to ask particular questions about particular things. It could be about a person, it could be about an action, a general idea, it could be about a place, it could be about time. So this is what you should be doing when you want to ask questions about the same. Who is used when you want to ask about a person. Who is coming to the party tonight? What is when you want to ask about an action, a thing, or a general idea. What are you doing this weekend? Where, if you want to ask about a place. Where did you leave your keys? When you want to ask about time. When does the meeting start? Why, when you want a reason. Why did you choose the color? Finally, how, about when you want to know about some manner, condition, or degree. How do you open this jar? Remember, asking questions is a very integral part of communication. Questions are an excellent way to include people in your conversation and to know more about people around you. Asking the right kind of questions, both in the private as well as professional setting, can help you establish stronger connection and can take you further in your life.